Welcome to the Contact Center Data Generator. Let's walk through how to create synthetic datasets tailored to your needs first. We select the target industry for our data. For this example, let's choose insurance and click Next. Which use cases or scenarios do we want to cover? I'll select all available options from the menu to create a diverse dataset. So, I will select all this menu and click on Next. Here, we also define the call parameters. We can choose between inbound or outbound calls and even specify the customer sentiment to ensure realistic variety. Here we can select and how many transcript you want to generate and need some metadata about your call. Just click on here. See the pre, 1 and 2 preview of the transcript. Just click on Preview. Here you can see Preview, and after click on Next, it will generate entire CSV file for your task. Here you can see the sample transcript and conversation. You see every transcript and what is the CSAT score and average T time duration, and what is the status of this call. This status will be escalated, so they try to mimic real-world data. And click on Next. Here we select only 10 records, so you will get 10 records in different formats. The system now generates the complete dataset. In this case, we requested 10 records, which are instantly compiled into a CSV file ready for analysis in your preferred format.